Hi love, welcome back to my channel Little Hairstyles. I created this video to use to appreciate you all and also to inform you guys I have changed my channel's name from Susan Gold TV to Little Hairstyles. I decided to change the name because I believe Little Hairstyles tell more about this channel, about what we do in this channel. If you have been supporting my old name, which is Susan Go TV, and I ask you keep supporting me because this is still the same me, I still create the same amazing hairstyle. So if this is your first time coming across also my channel, my name is Susan and I'm a mom of 4 girls, and what we do in this channel, we create a hairstyle. I create hairstyle for my children. That's what you do here, and I want you to be a part of the family by subscribing to this channel. And yeah, you're welcome. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I will drop a new video. And thank you so much. I appreciate you all, both my new and my old subscribers. Thank you for your support, and once again I say welcome to my new brand name. Thanks for being here. Love you. Bye.